With an estimated 7.77 million species of animals on the planet, the animal kingdom is an undeniably diverse place. But while the breadth of earthly biodiversity may be well known, the incredible things our animal counterparts can do are often hidden from humans. From furry creatures you never realized kissed, to those who enjoy getting tipsy, these fascinating animal facts are sure to wow even the biggest animal lovers out there. So, in this video, we will discuss the top 10 most fascinating animal facts. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you stick to the end. Number 10. Puffins use twigs to scratch their bodies. Puffins are seabirds that belong to the family Alcidae, and they are known for their distinctive appearance, with colorful beaks and small wings. It's fascinating to learn that they use twigs to scratch their bodies, as this behavior has not been widely reported in other bird species. Puffins are well adapted to their oceanic environment, and this behavior may be an important part of their grooming and maintenance routine. Number 9. The immortal jellyfish. The immortal jellyfish, scientific name Turritopsis dohrnii, is a unique species of jellyfish that has the remarkable ability to revert to its juvenile form after reaching maturity. This means that, in theory, the jellyfish can potentially live forever, as it can continually cycle through its life stages without ever dying of old age. This process is known as transdifferentiation. Quite a mouthful, huh? Where the jellyfish transforms its adult cells back into immature ones, effectively starting the aging process over again. This phenomenon has made the immortal jellyfish a topic of scientific interest and research, as it could hold the key to unlocking the secrets of aging and potentially lead to the development of new treatments for age-related diseases. Number 8. The mimic octopus. The mimic octopus, scientific name Thamoctopus mimicus, is a species of octopus that has gained notoriety for its incredible ability to mimic the physical appearance and movement of other creatures in its environment. It can transform its body shape, texture, and color to resemble various species, including sea snakes, lionfish, and flatfish. This remarkable adaptation allows the mimic octopus to evade predators and catch prey, and is considered one of the most impressive examples of animal mimicry in the world. In addition to its mimicry abilities, the mimic octopus is also highly intelligent and has been observed using tools to solve problems. Number 7. The tardigrade's resilience. Tardigrades, also known as water bears or moss piglets, are microscopic animals that are renowned for their incredible resilience and ability to survive extreme conditions that would be fatal for most other organisms. They can survive extreme temperatures, pressures, and radiation, as well as able to withstand dehydration for years. Their ability to enter a state of suspended animation, known as cryptobiosis, allows them to survive even the harshest environments. During this state, they shut down their metabolic processes and protect their cells with a sugary gel, effectively putting themselves into a form of stasis. The tardigrade's resilience has made it a topic of scientific interest and research, with scientists looking to understand the mechanisms behind its survival abilities. Some even believe that the tardigrade's genetic makeup could hold the key to developing new treatments for human diseases. Number 6. The axolotl's regenerative abilities. The axolotl, also known as the Mexican salamander, is a species of salamander that is famous for its incredible regenerative abilities. Unlike most other animals, the axolotl can regenerate entire limbs, the spinal cord, the heart, and even parts of its brain. When an axolotl loses a limb, it can regrow a new one within weeks, and the regenerated limb is often indistinguishable from the original. Scientists are studying the axolotl's regenerative abilities to understand how it can regrow complex structures so effectively, intending to develop new regenerative therapies for humans. Number 5. The intelligence of crows. Crows are known for their intelligence and remarkable problem-solving abilities. They are highly social birds and have been observed using tools, recognizing human faces, and even teaching other crows how to use tools. Crows are also known for their ability to remember faces and hold grudges. Studies have shown that crows can remember the faces of people who have threatened or harmed them, and will warn other crows about that person's presence. They have also been observed engaging in play and using creative problem-solving skills to obtain food. In some cultures, crows have been revered as symbols of wisdom and intelligence, and are believed to have spiritual significance. Their intelligence and social behavior have made them a subject of scientific research, as scientists seek to understand the complex cognitive abilities of these fascinating birds. Number 4. The hibernation of hummingbirds. Hummingbirds do not hibernate in the traditional sense of the word. Instead, they go into a state of torpor, which is a temporary reduction in metabolic activity that allows them to conserve energy during periods of cold or food scarcity. During torpor, a hummingbird's body temperature drops significantly, and its heart rate and breathing slow down. This allows the bird to conserve energy by slowing down its metabolic processes. Hummingbirds can enter and exit torpor relatively quickly, and they may do so daily during cold nights or when food is scarce. It's worth noting that not all hummingbird species enter torpor. Some species, such as the ruby-throated hummingbird, migrate to warmer climates to avoid cold temperatures and food shortages. However, other species that live in colder regions, such as the rufous hummingbird, may rely on torpor as a way to survive during the winter months. Number 3. The echolocation of bats. Bats use echolocation to navigate and locate prey in their environment. Echolocation is a biological sonar system that allows bats to emit high-frequency sounds and then use the echoes of those sounds to determine the location, size, and shape of objects in their environment. When a bat emits a high-pitched sound, it travels through the air until it reaches an object, such as an insect or a tree. The sound waves then bounce back to the bat as an echo, which the bat's sensitive ears can detect. Based on the time it takes for the echo to return and the frequency of the sound wave, the bat can determine the distance and size of the object. Bats can emit sounds at frequencies beyond the range of human hearing, typically between 20 to 100 kilohertz. Some species of bats emit sounds as high as 200 kilohertz. The frequency of the sounds depends on the species of bat and the environment in which they live. Number 2. The camouflage of the leaf-tailed gecko. The leaf-tailed gecko is a type of gecko that is native to Madagascar and nearby islands. As its name suggests, the leaf-tailed gecko is a distinctive tail that resembles a leaf, which it uses for camouflage. The leaf-tailed gecko's body shape and skin texture also help it to blend in with its surroundings. Its skin is rough and textured, resembling the bark of trees, and it has a flattened body that allows it to press against tree trunks and branches, further enhancing its camouflage. The leaf-tailed gecko's coloration varies depending on its environment. Individuals living in areas with reddish-brown soil tend to have reddish-brown skin, while those living in areas with greener vegetation tend to have green skin. Some individuals even have mottled or speckled skin, which helps them blend in with the dappled sunlight that filters through the trees. Number 1. The bioluminescence of fireflies. Fireflies, also known as lightning bugs, are known for their ability to produce bioluminescence, a form of light produced by living organisms. Fireflies can produce light through a chemical reaction that takes place in their bodies. The bioluminescence of fireflies is produced by an enzyme called luciferase, which catalyzes a reaction between luciferin and oxygen. This reaction produces light, which is emitted from the firefly's body in a process known as bioluminescence. Fireflies use their bioluminescence for a variety of purposes, including communication, mate attraction, and warning predators. Each species of firefly has a unique flash pattern that allows individuals to recognize members of their species and to find potential mates. Firefly bioluminescence is also used by scientists as a tool for research and medical applications, such as detecting bacteria and viruses in lab tests and tracking the spread of diseases in living organisms. Overall, The bioluminescence of fireflies is a fascinating phenomenon that has captured the imaginations of people for centuries and continues to be an area of study for scientists around the world. Thank you for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.